Custom glass block bars, I mean, a lot of times you'll see them actually in bars, different commercial applications, but you'll also see them a lot in people's homes, used in a rec room, used in a basement, used in a man cave, which has become a very popular thing where people will fix up their basements and watch football games and family movies down there. So yeah, the glass block bars have been very popular in residential markets and in commercial markets as well. The easiest way to do a glass block bar is with prefabricated wall sections. These wall sections, usually if you've got a 5-block high installation, often we're going to make them in 2-block high sections, which can be pre-made and actually shipped all across the country. These pre-made sections are put together with a material we call vinyl stack, which makes them very, very sturdy. But another big advantage of that system is it's going to save a lot of time in the field in the actual installation, and it's going to improve the quality because it's a modular prefabricated system versus a site-built system. If you've got a straight glass block wall for a bar, you're going to want to anchor that. And when we send the prefabricated systems out, we also send these panel anchors. They're little L brackets that go next to the wall, and the section gets anchored back to the wall. So again, it's tying the straight section into the wall. For a wall that's an L-shaped, usually it's anchored as well. If you had a wall that was U-shaped, meaning it's going to come out and go over and come back, and basically a U-shape, that can be freestanding. So literally, if you wanted to make a desk, we've had people not only do glass block bars, but make desks out of it or a reception area out of it. You can do that with a U-shape. Another option also, which is very, very unique and different, is a serpentine wall. We recently did a prefabricated wall system for somebody that was a serpentine, and it can make a phenomenal looking project. In most cases, countertop height on most bars is 42 inches tall. So normally what's happening with the glass block, the best glass blocks to use are usually the 8-inch tall glass blocks, and you stack 5 8-inch tall glass blocks on top of each other, which gets you 5 times 8 to 40 inches. Then the counters tend to be about 2 inches thick. So when you take the 40 inches of glass block plus the 2-inch for the counter, you're at 42 inches tall. You don't have to use any specific countertop. So your countertop choice is really going to be driven off what do you like to see. Now, people will ask, can I just set that countertop on top of the bar, and will the countertop weight be supported by the glass underneath? And the answer to that is yes and no. It depends. In the case of lighter materials, like the Formica countertop or the wood countertop, there's not usually any support needed behind the glass block bar. But if you're using heavier materials like solid surface, Corian, granite, in general, you're going to have a post or a support behind the counter because it would be too much weight sitting on the glass block to support that without a support member behind the glass block bar. A lot of people like the idea of the bar glowing. So if you have lighting, which the lighting can either be put underneath the countertop and shine down on it, and there also are some systems that can be used where you can put the lighting through a bar. So now all of a sudden you've got a glass bar, you got illumination, you got structure in there, and you've got a product that's going to last. So it's really a far nicer project and much more dramatic when you put that lighting behind it, or you put colored block in it, or frosted block in it. Now you've got something special in that bar application.